Hi, Sean with Sean's Outdoor Journeys. Today, continuing our series on products for our RV. Today we have an ADCO 2507. We have a white RV windshield cover. Again, as I'll show you, we use it for both reflective qualities as well as great way of keeping everything covered for your privacy. And we bought this particular one from Amazon. This is on their top seller list. Really good product, super easy to install. My wife usually does it all the time, and she whips it on in about 5 minutes. We'll show you some of the things and how the easeability of putting it on. But there is a clear as well as a white model that's there. And basically it fits our 450 Ford, and no problem, a lot of room on the sides, so you can just overlap it into the windows. It has sewn in pockets and extra strength magnets, which you'll see hold it real firm onto the side doors. And you just tighten it up and it's good to go. Okay, so again, this product can be found on Amazon, as well as we did see them on both Outdoor World and Cabela's. And all of the Cabela's Outdoor World or Bass Pro shops that also carry these products too. So stay tuned, we'll show you how easy it is to install, and hopefully you'll need the product and buy one. We'll talk to you soon. Okay, so basically come into a campground at night and you are looking for some privacy. So what you have normal in almost all RVs and campers, you will have your front window open, and both your passenger side, driver side windows, as well as your main window. So we have a solution for that. And stay tuned and we will show you. Okay, we just want to bring you the windshield cover and switch it back over. This is what it looks like outside the box, and we will show you how easy and simple it is to install it. So basically she'll just bring it out and undo it, and it hooks right in. There's a strap that it hooks right on the back of the door like that, and there's magnets right in the bottom that keep it nice and tight. And we'll bring that over, and the trick here is also lifting up the windshield wipers, which I will give her a hand. To do, she'll stretch it out. Yep. And she'll pull that tight, just like that. Really good fit on our E450 Super Duty Ford. And we have a Red Hawk ADCO. So she'll bring that over and basically just hooks it in like she did on the other side. And then you just basically just have to fit it and play around with it until you get the fit that you like. And then what we do is just bring the windshield wipers up. And it has Velcro straps that you can hook. Show you what it looks like from here. As you can see, really can't see inside with that from the outside. And we'll show you what it looks like from the inside. as you'll hook it up around the mirror support, and that's it. Yeah, less than 5 minutes and you are good to go. Okay, just wanted to show you the inside of the cab of the truck once the windshield cover is installed. As you can see, you know, it's pretty good with privacy. You can't really see, and you can utilize, like I said, the inside of the cab, the chairs, the space in between, and so you're really not cutting it off, which you would if you just put the curtains up. I'll show you back here. So you do pick up that 3-4 foot, and that's really the product. Really good, super simple to install, and I think it's a product that you would like.